Hello children, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about 8th standard science. The topic name is air part 1. So in this video we want to learn air introduction, composition of air, oxygen, occurrence of oxygen, physical and chemical properties of oxygen and uses of oxygen, nitrogen, occurrence of nitrogen, physical, chemical properties and uses of nitrogen. So what is air? Air is a mixture of various gases. The main gases present in the air are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. First we move to oxygen. All living things in the world need oxygen. We cannot imagine the world without oxygen. Swedish chemist C.W. Scheele first discovered oxygen in 1772. He called the gas fire air or vital life because it was found to support the process of burning. It was independently discovered by the British scientist Joseph Priestley in 1774. Lavoisier named oxygen. The name oxygen comes from the Greek word oxygenous, which means acid producer. It is called so because early chemists thought that oxygen is necessary for producing acids. Occurrence of oxygen. Oxygen is the most abundant element on the earth by mass and the third most abundant element after hydrogen and helium in the universe. Oxygen occurs in the free state as a gas to the extent of 21% by volume or 23% by weight in the atmosphere. Combined form of oxygen also occurs. It is also present in water, in vegetables and animal tissues, nearly all rocks and many minerals. In combined state, it is present in the Earth's crust as silicates and metal oxides. It is also found in water on the surface of the Earth. Triatomic molecule O3, known as ozone, is present in the upper layers of the atmosphere. Next, physical properties of oxygen. Oxygen is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. It is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Oxygen dissolves readily in cold water. It is denser than air. It can be made into liquid at high pressure and low temperature. It supports combustion. Next we move to chemical properties of oxygen. Number 1. Combustibility. Oxygen is a non-combustible gas as it does not burn on its own, but it supports the combustion of other substances. Number 2. Reaction with the metals. Oxygen reacts with the metals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminum, iron, etc. to form their corresponding metal oxides, which are generally basic in nature, but the metals differ in their reactivity towards oxygen. Metal plus oxygen, it gives metal oxide. For example, magnesium is a metal. It reacts with the oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Another example, sulfur is a metal. It reacts with the oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Number 3. Reaction with the non-metals. Oxygen reacts with various non-metals like hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. to give corresponding non-metallic oxides, which are generally acidic in nature. Non-metal plus oxygen, it gives non-metallic oxide. For example, carbon plus oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. Number 4. Reaction with the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, that is compounds containing carbon and hydrogen, react with the oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water vapor. Example, wood, petrol, diesel, LPG, etc. When hydrocarbon undergo complete combustion, the general word equation is hydrocarbon plus oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. For example, the complete combustion of butane would be C4H10 plus oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Number 5. Rusting. The process of conversion of iron into its hydrated form of oxide in the presence of air and moisture. is called rusting. Rust is hydrated ferric oxide. Fe plus oxygen, it gives Fe2O3, that is ferrous oxide. It is known as rust. Next we move to uses of oxygen. It is used as oxyacetylene cylinder for cutting and welding metals. It is used to remove carbon impurities from steel. Plants and animals use oxygen from the air for respiration. It is used as a rocket fuel. It is used for artificial respiration by scuba divers, mountaineers, astronauts, patients, etc. Mixed with the powdered charcoal, it is used as explosives. It is used in the synthesis of methanol and ammonia. Next we move to nitrogen. Nitrogen is one of the most important elements. Animals and plants need nitrogen for their growth. All living organisms contain nitrogen. It is an essential element present in proteins and nucleic acids, which are the building blocks of all living things. It was first isolated from the air by Daniel Rutherford in 1772. The name nitrogen is derived from the Greek words nitron and gene. It means I produce niter. Niter is a potassium nitrate compound of nitrogen. Anthony Lavoisier suggested the name azote from the Greek word meaning no life. Nitrogen forms about 4/5 of the total atmospheric air. Nitrogen does not help in burning. However, roots of some plants like bean, pea and pulses have root nodules that bear some bacterial cells. These bacteria converts atmospheric nitrogen into soil fertilizers. This process is known as biological nitrogen fixation. Occurrence of nitrogen. Nitrogen is the fourth most abundant element in the human body. It accounts for about 3% of the mass of the human body. It is born to be the seventh most abundant element in the universe. Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, has an atmosphere made up of 98% of nitrogen. Physical properties of nitrogen. Nitrogen is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless gas. It is slightly lighter than air. It is slightly soluble in water. Nitrogen becomes a liquid at low temperature and looks like water. When it freezes, it becomes a white solid. It is neutral to litmus like oxygen. Next, chemical properties of nitrogen. Number 1, reaction with metals. Nitrogen reacts with the metals like lithium, calcium, magnesium, etc. at high temperature to form their corresponding metal nitrides. Metal plus nitrogen, it gives metal nitride. For example, calcium plus nitrogen, it gives calcium nitride. Reaction with the non-metals. Nitrogen reacts with the non-metals like hydrogen, oxygen, etc. at high temperature to form their corresponding nitrogen compounds. Non-metal plus nitrogen, it gives nitrogen compound. For example, when the hydrogen reacts with the nitrogen, it gives ammonia at high temperature. Uses of nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is used as a refrigerant. It provides an inert atmosphere for conducting certain chemical reactions. It is used to prepare ammonia by Haber's process, which is then converted into fertilizers and nitric acid. Nowadays, it is used as a substitute for compressed air in tires. It is used for filling the space above mercury in high temperature thermometer to reduce the evaporation of mercury. Many explosives such as TNT, nitroglycerin and gunpowder contain nitrogen. It is used for the preservation of foods, manufacturing of stainless steel, reducing fire hazards and as a part of the gas in incandescent light bulbs. For the next video, we will learn carbon dioxide occurrence, physical properties and chemical properties of carbon dioxide, uses of carbon dioxide, greenhouse effect and global warming, acid rains, effect of acid rain and preventive measures of acid rain in the part 2 video. If you have any doubts and suggestions, give your feedback to the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.